I just want to say this. If you eat snacks, if you smoke cigarettes, there should be no way in motherfucking hell you should be scared to take herbs. You know how much poisoning, like, some of the foods that we eat have a little bit of the shit that we use to kill rats. A little bit of the shit that we use to kill ants. Like, y'all don't be scared to put that inside of your body, but y'all be scared to put herbs inside of your body that comes from earth. Come from the ground. That's natural. But y'all don't give a fuck to smoke cigarettes, to smoke weed. When you smoke weed, when you rolling up in them, what y'all be buying? I forgot what y'all be buying. Them games, swishers, all of that stuff. What you think is inside of those? Huh? I be so confused. Like, it's a lot of cancerous shit that goes inside of our foods. That goes inside of our foods. And y'all not scared to eat none of that. Y'all not scared to drink none of that. Y'all be fucking up y'all kidneys, y'all livers, and everything else, but you scared to take something that's gonna help you, that's coming from the ground. Help me understand that, y'all. Like, I don't get it. I don't get it. And then it's crazy because y'all be like, I don't want to drink coconut water. I don't like how coconut water tastes. It's nasty. I'm not drinking it. Alcohol is good. Alcohol is good for you. Alcohol is good to you. Like, everything that's healthy is damn sure not going to be good. But y'all can throw shots back to back to back to back. Help me understand it.